akoyese. Mo ye fetish priests and princesses of an occult society. Ana NDC ya bosum bi amo ye bosom ma ene mema na mugu. Because I don't get it. No one born of a party supporter will just always allow a politician like Felix Kwakye because the Minister of Information amao. You just sit down and you concoct shallow propaganda now they are going to be na me nama. Na me feeling me home. And I cannot challenge you. I can't ask you to confirm to me why this is true so that I can go and speak for you. Assume say nanka nanado ba ye o say the free SHS baba. No ba ye free SHS na o de ba ye no. E ko so be ye say 1 month pe. Na wa gunu. Na be catch them me say at the end of 8 years say me ba say me be defending na me boss say o the free SHS e ba ye. Na ma di super pepe me ye. Adenya I'm supporting NPP. Must I be stupid? Must I be taken for granted? Enya aban ena Deloitte 4-year audit nunti. Emma omunjindi na omu kwakoye forensic audit asian ka ho. Anka Felix Kwakye obetima kasa. Ke ba ni we ya. Ke ebaye na ye confirm me say 58 million na omu kase ye di. Nana Akufo-Addo eni kenovori ata omadi. Ka Deloitte report na baye na ye confirm me say na bibia mo kan ye fa National Cathedral ho e nokre. Felix Kwakye be deny say enya aban na ema Deloitte eye audit no. Obeye onye. Ghana for mo ma yen sorry. NDC for aboy abroad do. They treat us as if say ye zombies. We are animals. We have the brains of animals. Omo ba banswa omo ye to say like we have the brains of animals, and then they are managing like they manage us like the animals in the zoo. Mama sorry. Be awake in your head. Minister ne ba bontin a obeka se omoni Deloitte for akonhyehyeye na mo ye audit adenti na Felix Kwakye wan ba bontin am be ka kire ye se enya aban na esi Deloitte for onye audit no na National Secretariat na enya National Secretariat ni no oba be ka asa eye mo minister mo employee to that institution on na this information yi buy. Enko mu wenti mu demonic propaganda and succeeding ti report na andi mu demonic propaganda so no penti wasua wuti kakraka Lion King Kong akotena national television ene ka kire yese enya aban na ema Deloitte 4-year audit. As a Felix Kwakye de o wia obi na de na nipa ne kese ne se wa brabo mu nka nokre wo wia se da na odi akowu ana se sa papa ne yire na o kodi no papa na kese ne se wo de ade a wo bebie unya nka nokre se wo ba ha se wo bedi me yire e na me chi wo wo be kwaso atwa ntro sa na wo di akowu as a sa ewisam na okoye ye with obi yire na ye chi Felix Kwakye no omo akese no adi no nso adi ni so pepe. Ever since me paying attention to politics, Felix Kwakye bie na no aka se mama ko find out money ye true. Na say aye we so ever since I oko we obi yire na ye chi no live camera no Felix Kwakye ade bia ebe pie wona no eye ntro onka no crafiti wo hoda entro way and never ba better na bonti aka now they are your source of information. Oh, you not even go back and think about what the person has been saying that it is not true. Just a Ghana mutimi ma oh like just a moron crab packaging in a very nice way no ba NDC kan mu a mu betima to abama sa nipa ne se onko di president. Inza me anya me wawa se sa Rosemond Obengel no from Baomia receptionist otimi besin e bypass mu ko di flat house because mo enjoy low IQ e bomo to say yare. And yami wawa crown po say Rosemond Obing etimi free opposition party ebesin ko di Flagstaff house na mo nenam ha e type rubbish about a chronic liar that you should be running away from for your own integrity. Felix Kwakye na ebe ba cancer me we jedi. How many cancers did he say Nana Akufo-Addo had? Okaya, how many cancers did Felix Kwakye diagnose that Nana Akufo-Addo had? Nana Akufo-Addo betina bansu 8 years. Oti for once in your life say you are rushing out to hospital my catcher or say or even 2 more, not to talk of cancer. Nyambe tuya ne ka me say obejo antrotilu awu. Eno kre emfiri Felix Kwakye ano da. Kenya na nyame sunkra na ewe yo musa mo va say be ba say ya na ya kese na ya ka kire na say nyankopon yare bia sa guy we need kakraka we e de man na do say o wasa yare no fama no anka ebedi no nso nipa ya akwache no wo obi fie a wa akoda wa we ne yere ya chiwu kete Felix Kwakye say oh let me explain. You say you are not listening to me, you let me explain. And you don't even want me, you let me explain. You see, I came here for us to discuss matters at 5 a.m. in somebody's wife house and up at 5 a.m. Now we ask one who got national television catch that was say because Deloitte audit no and corny way and come evil demonic propaganda way no enya aban na esoma omo se omo nkoye nti afi na aban eba abesoma nipa ma omo abeye den ebe audit now asin atina sa national television no asin abobo figures combine them together. Let's give it to our short memory and illiterate grassroots people. No mon fan na mi wiem na we jedi o de ko nyansani a wodi NDC ekire mo ni wo NDC fo mama mo ho ni wo dodo yen kase don't belong to party o. But you see, the manner in which you allow them to treat you like you have the brain of animals. Supporting a party doesn't mean you should turn yourself into an animal. No, mo manage you and manipulate you to say we are animal la wozu. Omo kan sema muntimi entina se endwen ho and ask them the necessary question. You just take it. Felix Kwakye one thing. Have you seen now the National Cathedral? They said that they report. Felix Kwakye said that now they have spent 97. Simple question. Ask Felix Kwakye. If it has come and then it was that is true, the 58 million no. Nanado any Ken Oforiata Edi Sasikano. Obeko national television. Ape kachira mo se. Enya abai na esuma Deloitte inti chise yesama another auditor a audit biem. Obeba bonti abekasa. Onye. Anytime omu behu se mu NDC fo no. Omu grassroots supporters no. Adwen ya bamutimu. Wisdom ya bamutimu. Amamu ahu se ampa. Omu ye demonic propagators association. Chise onu bi say. Felix Kwakye ya bonike se onka no kreda. Chise ye nam anoso na asan ko package another lie and demonic propaganda to come and feed you the people that have refused to use your head. And you see a legend and say you want to be managed like an animal in the zoo.
Yeah, page 53, paragraph 12, there's something about creating characters and dialogue for genetic purposes.
Anyway, me who pa was in the name of politics who belong to party. Yes, sorry, they be attempt. The one they did you attempt. They be NDC leaders. They don't do anything rather than insult you, the supporters. The way you think, they bring everything and they make public statement. But I say, come on, and yes, she mama, a secret occult. Ademu nyina more than fetish priests and princesses Anna. Ewe NDC hono. Because some of us, we are actually thinking that, oh, you are just people that believe that NDC is actually an important party. They do a nice things. And you too, you align with them.